So we have a 2013 Mazda 3-speed, and we're replacing the front impact sensor. I'll show the code in a screenshot of what we got that showed us that we needed to replace it. We thought we were going to have to remove the bumper, but we realized that after removing these 7 clips across the front, it gave us some space to pull the cover off. Before you begin, it's always a good idea to disconnect the battery. Find the battery right here under this cover. So the first thing you have to do is disconnect this bracket that's covering the sensor, and it just takes this one bolt. It's the only thing you have to take off to get to the sensor. It's actually pretty easy. It's a 10 millimeter, and then once you get that off, it comes right out. Now if you loosen the front, it's easy to come out. It just hooks on the bottom and then one bolt on the top, and then you have full access to the sensor, which is another nut, 10 millimeter. It's pretty small, looks like this. Both bolts are 10 millimeters, and let's see if we can get down in there. Let's see, there it is down there, right there. So there's a 10 millimeter right underneath this. We were able to break it loose with a socket wrench, and then I got this little handy dandy thing that was able to get in there and unscrew it real quickly, because it's hard. You don't have enough space to go back and forth with your socket wrench. Push it out. See how it's now pushed out? And then press down right here where it's black, and that releases the sensor. And you just reverse the process.